Alright guys, so after that is done, we're going to move on to the next step. Um okay, so we have the attribute table set, everything ready. So what we're going to do next is that we are going to give assign colors to the highest point or the highest number of confirmed cases and also the lowest number of confirmed cases per state. So we are going to do that automatically. So in order to do that, we are going to right click on the ng-admin one, properties. So we are going to come to expression, click on expression. Now this is the code already, so I'm going to add another line that will have the the information or the field of a confirmed in the map, so that if I know okay this Akwa Ibom state, I see the amount of confirmed in the map. Okay, if it is recoveries, I have Akwa Ibom state, I see the number of recoveries below. So in order to do that, you have to keep a space and new line, VB new line, sorry, VB new line, VB new line space, and I'm going to come here and look for the confirmed. Already is confirmed, put that, I press OK, and bold it if I want to apply, and then I have this. So in Sokoto we have 810. If you want to confirm this, go to your attribute table, Sokoto, this Sokoto 810. So we are actually on track. Now, having done this, the next thing we're going to do is to assign colors like I earlier mentioned. So to assign colors to these points, you right click, go to properties, click on symbology. I think most of us know this already. Symbology, quantities, click on value, click on confirmed. So this is a color. For instance, this is a color that we have already. So I'm going to like choose another color that will depict this. Okay. So I think the green will be the lowest, the light green will be and not all that low. This will be medium, this will be high, very high. So in this is not these decimals, these numbers after the decimal points, we don't need it. So to remove them, you right click on this, format labels, and reduce to zero, then apply, and then voila, we have our map. Now, one thing we are going to do is that we are going to change this NG NGA or rename it. Yeah, we are going to rename it. We are going to call it confirmed. Let's call it confirmed. The reason why I'm saying so is that we have to change this to a shapefile so that we will not lose our data. This is the same thing I'm going to do for people that contacted me for the work. So I'm going to change it as shapefile so that if I send the work to you, you can open it in your system. If I save it like this and send it to you, you will not be able to get what I'm having now in my system. So I'm going to right click here. I'm going to export data. So I'm going to look for where I'm going to save it. I think I created okay COVID-19. So I'm going to change the file type as a shapefile. I want to call this confirm this for this very reason so that I can send it to another person. So I press OK to export here. So we can see Lagos has the highest confirmed cases. Abuja has the second highest. Then all these other ones are a bit medium. Akwa Ibom State is also part of the very low or low, sorry, or low. Then other states has the lowest confirmed cases. So this is how we are going to do for other other fields, that's recoveries and the testing. But there's something else I would love to try. You know, we are going to use other, you know, patterns. Okay, this one is also okay. Format labels. I think that's okay. I can use graduated symbols here as to be diverse. You see, Abuja is still high. Sorry, Lagos is still bigger. Abuja is second biggest other places than. So you can try another one just to be dynamic. Just to be dynamic. I think this one um is half meters. No, let's use kilometers. Okay, and apply. Aye, too big, too big. Let me change this to meters. Let's see how it goes. Okay, okay. So this is also part of the symbology and representation by maps. So I'm going to change this as well. Dot density. Add this mean. That is a minimum, mean, and maximum. I need to do that. Okay. So as you can see down here, um, FCT, which is the second highest confirmed, you can see that there are so many dots in it. You can use this to represent your work. This is Lagos. As you can see that there is no space. That's because it's the highest confirmed cases. So we can use that. Um, you can also use chart as well. If you want to use a pie chart, you can compare two fields, maybe like confirmed cases and recoveries. Can add both of these and then analyze. As you can see, the upper one is the confirmed and the lower is recoveries. You can also add this in your expression as well so that everything can come out. So I can change this, bring everything back. Bar, still the same thing. I can use. Let me use. Let me use dates this time around. Apply. Okay, you can see. Though this one will not clearly represent it well because of some places are not compared to Lagos. So the bar chart will be small, very small at some point. So I wouldn't advise using this one. Okay, start, still the same thing. Still the same thing. So I'm just showing the dynamism of the different representations you can do using the let's see, using Arcgis. So I'm going to return it back to normal. Okay. So in the last video, I'm going to show how to set up the page and put it in a proper scale and paper.